Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To complete, no rest for the wicked. Stealthily, focus on using distractions and staying out of sight. Start by observing patrol patterns and identifying isolated targets. Use throwable objects to divert attention, allowing you to move past guards or take them down quietly. Silenced weapons or non-lethal takedowns are key for maintaining stealth. Avoiding detection by staying in cover and moving slowly ensures you can navigate through areas without raising alarms. Lastly, utilize the environment to your advantage, such as crawling through vents or climbing to bypass obstacles. This approach minimizes combat and keeps your presence undetected.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.